Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we are going to solve this question which says a birth control method called safe period is based on option A, ovulation which occurs on the 14th day of the menstrual cycle. Option B, ovum which survives for about 2 days. Option C, sperm's viability is 3 days. Option D, all of the above. So let us understand the question. It says birth control method called safe period is based on. So first of all, what do you mean by birth control or birth control method? So these are the methods which are used to avoid pregnancies. Okay, pregnancy. So that is why they are called as birth control methods. So you have various birth control methods. You have contraceptive pills. You have surgeries which can be done to avoid pregnancy. There are intrauterine devices which can be utilized to avoid pregnancy. But one of the best methods is called as a natural method. What is it called as? It is called as a natural method. And during natural method, the menstrual cycle is considered. The menstrual cycle of the female is considered. Because by this menstrual cycle, you will know which are the days of the menstrual cycle the female will be like ovulating or producing or releasing the ovum. Okay. So there are 4 phases of menstrual cycle. We call it as the menstrual phase, and then we have follicular phase, ovulatory phase, and then further luteal phase. So basically the ovulatory phase is considered because that is when the ovum is released, ovulatory phase. And this is between the 12th to 14th day of the menstrual cycle. Okay, so during that time, the couple should avoid any sexual activity. Okay, then apart from this, we also have to consider once the ovum is released, it has to, or you can say, it will survive only for 2 days. So the survivability of the, or the survivability of the ovum is also should be considered. So it can survive for, ovum can survive for 2 days, whereas you can say the sperms, this is about ovum, and whereas sperms can survive for 3 days. Okay, they can be active for 3 days. So during this, like after coitus or during coitus, we have to consider that the sperms can survive for 3 days, even if the coitus is done today. So maybe another 2 days, we can expect that the sperms which are already present in the body of the female can fertilize the egg which will be released later. Okay, or which have, yeah, because ovum can survive only for 2 days, but sperms can survive 3 days. So we have to consider all 3 factors, that is ovulatory factors and ovum survivability and sperm survivability. So let us see the question again. It says a birth control method called safe period is based on option A, ovulation which occurs on the 14th day. Yes. Then option B, ovum which survives for about 2 days. Yes, we have to consider that. Option C, sperm's viability for 3 days. Yes, we also have to consider that. So if the couple follow coitus during any other day apart from this 12th to 14th day, then it is possible that the female may not get pregnant. Okay, hence we have to consider all of the above to be or calculating the safe period for sexual activity. So let us consider the answer or conclude the answer now. Option D, that is all of the above, is the correct answer. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.